Very good evening to all of you. Madhur this side, and today I'm going to have a YouTube live session on how to get traffic in 2023 through organic SEO. Okay, so before I dive in, please like and share this video as well as subscribe to our channel. All right, so let's get started. Ideally, in the digital landscape, you know that this is constantly evolving. So, what is important here is you need to understand the intricacies for driving traffic, which is the actual cornerstone for any successful online strategy, right? So friends, if at all you have to stay ahead in 2023 for getting highest amount of traffic to your website, I'm going to discuss some extremely powerful insights that will actually boost your website visibility and engagement. All right. So let's discuss the strategies and then we will see the live examples along with the practicals as well. Now, step one is you have to scale your content effectively. Okay. So, what do you mean by that? Scaling your content strategy is extremely important. How this is important that we need to understand. Ideally, this is not about just creating the content. Okay, see, understand this. But this is about creating the accurate content that is going to resonate your target audience. So I'm going to explain this to you. Okay, so in this particular situation, you can utilize the platform like HubSpot and WordPress, okay, which offers comprehensive scaling tools to facilitate content amplification. Okay, so let's understand point number one. Okay, so let's do that. I open my notepad here. Okay, so it's all about scaling content effectively. Okay, so here we'll take example of fasting flow. So they are into Excel to Tally software. Okay, so target customers we need to define. So how are you going to define the target customers? So here, right? So use ChatGPT to do your market research. Okay, so let's understand. Okay, I open chat.openai. Okay, write the prompt in ChatGPT. Prompt here. Okay, so what is the prompt here? So let's try this. Do market research for Excel to Tally software. Okay, analyze the target customers for Excel to Tally software. Okay, let's come up with prompt number one. Okay, so here it is. We got the data for Excel to Tally. This is market research data GPT is giving us, right? Okay, so what you have to do, you have to copy this data here, correct? You will frame this here as market research data for Excel to Tally software. You can use this for your campaign, correct? Then I go back here, write this prompt, analyze the target customers for Excel to Tally software. Here it is. So you get it here. Okay, so I copy this data over here. Okay, so here it is. So industry focus is retail, manufacturing, distribution, service. Okay, so these are the industries where Excel to Tally software is is actually used. Okay, so you have to understand the unique accounting needs and challenges faced by businesses in these industries, tailor the software solutions accordingly. Okay, so now this point is very important. Okay, so how are we going to tailor this particular point? So here this pointer tells us that you have to create the right content that resonates with your target audience. So in this particular situation, who is your target audience here? You have to create the content that resonates with retail, manufacturing, distribution, service businesses. Okay, so you can create valuable content, okay, in relation to your product that can actually add value to their particular businesses. Got it, guys? Clear? Any questions, any doubts, you can please ask me in the comments. I would be happy to help you all. Now, this is most important to leverage high performing content templates here. Okay, so we are going to understand this. Content templates are actually the backbone of any successful content strategy. This is very important, guys. Okay, what you have to do is you have to actually identify which are the best performing templates in your industry, and then you have to adapt them to your brand voice and style, right? So how are you going to do this? So let's take an example over here. For example, you could take as expanded list post and in-depth case studies often generate substantial user engagement, right? So you need to actually research on exploring topics. So how are you going to research? can research on exploring topics with BuzzSumo and Google Trends, right? To actually identify which are the most popular and relevant content ideas, right? So let's understand the tools as well. Okay, so you can utilize this particular platform. Okay, HubSpot. Okay, so I suggest guys that you please sign up for HubSpot over here. So let me enter my code over here. Okay, so here it is. It is 096956 096956 096956. I click on login. Okay, so HubSpot will actually play a significant role in your digital marketing campaign, guys. Okay, so how are you going to use this? Okay, so let's understand this. Here you have multiple options, right? So okay, so we created one project in the name of Fleetwood over here, right? Okay, so what you have to do is you ha- you you have multiple options: create dashboard, then you have actions, right? And share ad report. Okay, so let's say if I click on create dashboard here, see what it comes. Okay, so I'll say plus create dashboard from templates here: chat overview, email overview, marketing dashboard. Start with a dashboard of 9 reports that focuses on website performance and contact activities. So basically we are interested in the marketing dashboard here. Correct? Create marketing dashboard here. Okay, so that includes website visits, new contact and customer totals by day, landing page total views and form submission, landing pages by most total views, blog post total views and bounce rate. To click on next. Here I'll say dashboard name. I'll say here as fast and flow. Okay, who can access the dashboard? I can say will say it as of now only to myself. Don't keep it public here. Okay, private to owner only me. Create dashboard here. Okay, so now go back to your dashboard here. Has been saved. Okay, this is fast and flow. Now, how are you going to proceed further? Right, there it is. We created the dashboard now. Now, basically, you need to click on the option of add reports here. Okay, see first once if I've created a dashboard, we'll have this options. Click on add report, create report. Okay, guys. So in this particular situation, you have to add the reports. Correct? So how are you going to do that? Okay, basically what you have to do is here you have to get the data from Google Analytics and then add the PDF file report in HubSpot. So with HubSpot, you can actually do the part of analytics over here as well. All right, got it? Clear? So this is very interesting, right? Okay. Then if I click on exit here, see here it is. Where it takes me. Okay. So let's do one thing. Actions. Now add images, text or videos, clone, dashboard details. So understand the features also. Okay, so I click on add images, text or videos. So here you can actually add the content here, right? So let's say you write here as best Excel to Tally software by Fast and Flow. Okay, so can use GPT, get ideas, right? Powerful description, right? Powerful description for Fast and Flow Excel to Tally software in 100 words. Okay, correct. Now, ideally, you should not copy paste the AI content on a platform because Google can read AI content and Google will not encourage AI content. So I suggest you go back to Quillbot and just paraphrase the content here, right? I'll just click on the Fluency tab over here. Okay, paraphrase, right? Click on copy full text, just copy it here, and we are good to go. Click on add. Okay, so once you, what you have to do in this particular situation, you have to actually connect your HubSpot to your Google Analytics. Once you connect your HubSpot to your Google Analytics, then in this particular situation, you actually can start getting data in your HubSpot as well. Like how many number of views you have got, what are the total submissions, okay? What is the page view to submission rate, new contacts, what is the CTA with respect to clicks as well, right? Got it, guys? Clear? Any questions? You can please ask in the comments. I would be happy to help you all. Okay? This is one part. Second part is like if you want to explore which are the trending topics in the niche of Excel to Tally software. So you can use two tools here which we will understand. One is BuzzSumo and one is Google Trends. Right? So let's go back to the tools over here. Okay. So we'll go to Google Trends. Okay. I open Google Trends over here. All right. Here you have three options: home, explore, trending now. So let's first click on trending now. Okay, this is the real-time search trend. Now, when you click on trending now, on the right-hand side, what you can see is explore topics. Correct? So here I enter the keyword here as Excel to Tally search term. Okay, I want to see what is the trend for past 90 days. First, we'll understand the trend for Excel to Tally. So here you could see the trend graph is going upward and downwards over here. And the trend which is happening for Excel to Tally, this is actually in Tamil Nadu, then in Maharashtra, Delhi, Karnataka, and Haryana. Okay, so this is a trend which is happening over here, right? Now we'll also understand the tool BuzzSumo. BuzzSumo. Okay, here it is. I open this URL over here. Okay, so they have a 30 days free trial also. So I click on yes, I agree. Okay, so I suggest that you sign up for an account over here and use 30 days free trial. It will tell you the trending topics as well. So let me see if I am able to log in, because I suggest that I have already used this account. Sign in with Facebook. Let's try. Continue. Okay. So in this particular situation, I have already used the 30 days free trial. So in this particular case, you can try using BuzzSumo as well, because they give you a 30 days free trial period and you can find trending topics as well. So I suggest that you please use Google Trends, which is a free option over here. Okay, clear? All right. So going forward, let's move to the next slide. Strategic template adoption. Now, this is the most important pointer which we will discuss. Basically, you have to analyze comparator landscape and dissect their successful content templates. So let's understand the concept, then I'll show you the practicals. So what you have to do in this situation, basically, you have to pay attention to their strategies, to your comparator strategy, and then you have to decipher what is working for them. Decipher means what you have to understand what is working for your comparators. Okay, say for example, okay, let's look at brands like HubSpot and Neil Patel. How are they utilizing template to attract and retain their audience, right? Okay, so in this particular situation, you have to adapt and personalize these templates so that it can start resonating with your own target demographic. All right, so let's understand this in practical also. Okay, so I open HubSpot blog here. Okay, so if I open HubSpot blog over here, let me open any one of the blog. For example, five steps, 5 steps to create an outstanding marketing plan, free templates here. Okay, so we need to understand the content template, because this is something very important to understand. So what is the template structure? The first thing is they have given the lead magnet over here, correct? Okay, see, lead magnet. Then they have, in the CTA they have given the lead magnet, download now, 1 2. Okay, then right in the beginning they have kept the wonderful image. Okay, then they started with the introduction. Then they have again kept the lead magnet, download now, free marketing plan, get a copy. Again, they have continued with the content part. Then they have added the video over here. So if you follow this particular content template in your website blog, this will work wonders. Okay. So again, continued with the content, and they have added the chapters, like what are you going to discuss. So they have given an anchor text link to different chapters here, right? So you can see the anchor text link here. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, right? And again they have added a CTA box. Okay, so download for free. Okay, so basically this is really wonderful, and I suggest that this is a part of a A/B testing process. Okay, you have to test out different content templates for your content marketing to understand what is working or what is not working. Till the time you'll not test it out, it's hard to come up with the winning combination as well. Okay, yeah, so you can see the template part here. Then the content is actually continued. You could see the detailed valuable content actually continued. You will see a lot of screenshots in this particular content here. Correct? Plus, you could see a lot of internal links are integrated in the content here, right? Okay, clear? So you have to understand the content template, all right? Then what we'll do is, see, then again, they have also used the pop-up box, because if any user is actually coming to your website, it's important to track the database of the end user. So they have integrated the pop-up box as well. So these are the winning strategies that can be integrated on your website. Got it? Okay. So, so now if I open Neil Patel blog, okay. So let's open one blog of Neil Patel. Okay. Let's go back over here. A second. Here it is. So we are just trying to understand what is the content template for Neil Patel blog. Okay, attractive title, amazing image, plus on the right hand side you have the information, author image, information about the author. You have a CTA book call now. This is very interesting. Yes, then you have a detailed valuables blog, and before every paragraph you can try to integrate the image. Again, you integrate the CTA, then you add social media sharing buttons over here as well. Got it? Then you add screenshots, then actual data insights you can integrate. Yes, so this is how you can try to analyze the successful content template. So now this is something basic we have understood. But logically, what you have to do is you need to understand the content template in your particular business niche. So we understood, okay, we need to actually understand which are the successful content templates in your particular business niche. So we have understood a couple of blogs which are very popular in the niche of Excel to Tally. Okay, so this is one of the blog we analyzed over here as well. Okay, the niche of Excel to Tally. Okay, so here if you see the content template here, right at the beginning, they have integrated the amazing image over here. Okay, see, then they started with the content, then they integrated the video as well, then they integrated the FAQs. Okay, this is one. Okay, the second one. Okay, this is one of the content template. Initially, you start with the feature image, integrate the social media sharing buttons. Start with the content. You add H1, H2, H3 tag, H4, H5, H6, H7, H8, H9, H10. Okay, this is how. This is one of the content template. Okay, so I close this option over here. Okay, this is one more. So your image has to be very beautiful in your content template, right in the beginning, because that will actually help the users to be on your website. Okay, then you actually add the real-time screenshots. Okay, that will add a lot of value, right? Real-time screenshots, then you give valuable information. Okay, so this is the content template over here. Then you have also integrated the FAQs. Then in the content template, you can also integrate the recent blog section so that you can maintain users on your website as well. All right. Okay. Clear? Yes. If you have any doubts, any questions, you can ask me in the comments. I would be happy to help you all. Then, going back to slide number 6, we'll discuss about variety and flexibility. So now, in this particular situation, you have to diversify your content template to address different segments of your audience. So you have to ensure your template is actually catered to various search intents that includes startup related posts, trend focused articles, as well as informational resources. So what will happen is this will actually diversify, and then this will not only cater to a wider audience, but this will also help to enhance your website relevancy in search results. Clear? Okay, so I think this doesn't need any kind of live example. You just need to understand the concept over here. And most important thing is optimize content calendar. You have to maintain a well structured content calendar that aligns with your business goals and target audience requirement. So I'm going to share the content calendar with all of you. Whoever needs a content calendar, please type yes in the comments. I will be sending you a content calendar document on your WhatsApp. Please type yes in the comments. Whoever needs to optimize content calendar. Okay. So I'm going to share that live document with you on your WhatsApp or email. Okay. So going forward, then you can also integrate the on-page SEO and internal linking strategies to enhance your content visibility. Just having a successful content template is not sufficient. If you want to make your content visible in Google search, you have to optimize your content for targeted keywords, as well as you have to integrate the internal link building strategies. So how you can do it? You can use tools like Ahref and SEMrush that that can actually provide valuable insight into optimizing your content calendar for better performance as well. All right. So, friends, if you implement all the strategies, I guarantee you that you can boost your online visibility, and that will help you to enhance your website traffic exponentially. So, always keep this in mind, friends. Consistency and adaptability, they are the master keys in the ever evolving digital landscape. With this, I end my today's presentation. If ever you have any questions, you can please ask me in the comments. I would be happy to help you all. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.